Everybody's talking about AI, data, and automation. You name it. But to really succeed, you need a trusted partner. From ideation to going live and beyond. With deep technical expertise and a proven record of thousands of successful engagements, Salesforce Professional Services can be that partner. How? We help you create a future state roadmap, align to your desired outcomes, validate product functionality in your environment to adopt Salesforce faster, design and go live with Salesforce built to scale with your business, and optimize how you use and maintain the platform. Our 10,000 certified experts provide direct access to our product organization so you can stay on the leading edge of the latest innovations. We help companies in every industry realize value quickly. And trust, it's at the core of everything we do. Are you ready to deepen customer relationships, build a data strategy, and get started with AI? Salesforce Professional Services. We can help you do that.